Hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Thruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram checkpoint required problem on iPhone and iPad. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to in Instagrams the checkpoint required problem show on iPhone and iPad. In the video you can see also this type problem show on the Instagrams. Now the Instagram users question is what to do for the fixing this issue on iPhone and iPad and Android device. Before the starting this video, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Now I will say you about the two important things before the tips and tricks. Now first one important thing is remove the third party applications for the increase the followers like on this Instagram account. Now second important thing is latest versions to update your Instagram applications. So guys, now first of all strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android devices. Now open the App Store and Play Store, top corner search bar. In search bar search Instagram applications. If you any updates available, so guys please make sure latest versions to update your Instagram application. If you two important thing is done, now go for the first one solution. The solution is clear cache Instagram on your iPhone and Android devices. Now first of all open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and tap on the app management. In the app management sections you can see also Instagram applications available. Now please make sure find out these applications. Once you find out the Instagram applications, now please make sure tap on it. After you can see also this type screen show on your iPhone as well as Android devices. Now the tap on the storage uses and tap on the last option is right hand side corner cache options. Now please make sure tap on it and easy to fix your problems. So guys, now second one solution is most important. The solution is verify your email and phone number on your Instagram. Now first of all again open the Instagram applications. Now you can see also profile section at the right hand side bottom side. Now the tap on the edit profile. In the profile sections now you can see also personal information settings available. Now please make sure tap on it. If your email address and phone number is not verified, now please make sure enter both and also verify email address and also phone number in your iPhone and iPad. If you this two solution is not working, then go for the third one solution. Now third one solution is uninstall the Instagram applications and reinstall it. Now to find out the Instagram applications and press and hold. Now last option is uninstall option. Now please make sure tap on it. Uninstall these applications after open the App Store and Play Store. Now top corner search bar, in search bar search Instagram. Now again install after again login this account and easy to fix your problems. Now last one solutions for this issue fixing is the temporary disable Instagram account. Temporary disable after wait for the 1 hours after again reactivate your Instagram account. This way too you can easily checkpoint required problem fix on your Instagram. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.